Carlos. No. Wait, that's not right. I'm not me anymore. I don't even know who I am. It's inside me. I should have listened. They warned me about that place. The forest. They called it cursed. A place where things live. Things that shouldn't exist. But I didn't care. I just wanted to prove myself. To show I wasn't afraid. So I went deep into the trees. The air felt thick. Like it was watching me. Every step, colder, darker, heavier. And then I found it. A clearing. There was something there. A stone altar. Covered in strange marks glowing faintly. I thought it was ancient, forgotten. But when I touched it, I woke it up. It chose me. I tried to run, but I couldn't move. It whispered into my ears, into my mind.
Carlos, you are mine. I chose you. I own you. You will never escape me.
That entire movie was created using AI. The channel Bible in a Nutshell has mastered this method, and it's been working incredibly well for them. Their most popular video currently has 2.8 million views. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning anywhere from $55,000 per month. How amazing is that? In this video, I'll show you how you can create these kinds of films using AI tools. You don't need to be a movie director or expert animator. All you need is a solid idea and some simple AI tools, which I'll walk you through in this video. First, we'll be using Claude AI, which is our alternative to ChatGPT for story generation, but feel free to use any good AI writing tool. That can still work. I've linked Claude AI in the description to make it easy for you. Once you're on the interface, I'll ask Claude AI to generate a 500-word horror story about Carlos, a man possessed by a malevolent spirit after venturing into a cursed forest and awakening an ancient force. I'll include the full prompt in the video description. After that, I'll click Generate. Now that our story is ready, it's time to create a visual description for each scene. I'll ask Claude AI again to generate a detailed visual prompt for every scene, focusing on descriptive details and capturing the essence of the story. Each prompt should vividly showcase the cinematic setting, mood, and key story elements. Once we have our story and visual prompts, I'll copy everything and paste it into Google Docs to keep things organized. Step 2. Generating our visuals. In this step, we'll turn our prompts into visuals using Luma AI. You can find the link in the video description to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once on the interface, I'll click on Create and select Text to Video. Note that we'll be using text to video instead of image to video, which would require us to generate images on Leonardo AI and then return to animate them here. This method skips that step and helps us keep things quick. I've noticed that text to video gives better results. Once that's set, I'll copy the first prompt from the Google Doc and paste it here. I'll click on the camera icon to select the camera movement. You can see all the various options, and I'll choose the downward tilt. As you can see, there's an option to select either 2 videos per generation or just 1, but I'll stick to generating 1 video per prompt. Then I'll click Generate. Let's see what we get. Great. This looks pretty nice. Continue generating the rest of our visuals until all the prompts are completed. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. Now that we have all our visuals ready, we move on to generating the voiceover. For voiceovers, I recommend 11 Labs. If you don't have an account already, the link is in the description. They offer realistic voices with different tones and styles, and you can even clone your own voice. For this video, I'll find a voice that matches the adventurous and humorous theme of our video. I'll click on Voices in the library to search for options and choose one with a dark, unsettling tone to match the mood. If you're gaining value from this video, show your support by smashing that subscribe button, liking this video, and don't forget to share. For this video, I'll find a voice that matches the adventurous and humorous theme. I'll click on Voices in the library to search for options and choose one with a dark, unsettling tone to match the mood. I'll go with this one. Click here to use the voice. This will take us back to text-to-speech. We'll return to our Google Doc, copy the script, paste it into the text bar. Before hitting Generate, we'll adjust the script by removing parts where other characters, like the healer, spoke. We will generate a special voice for them separately. For now, let's focus on the narrator's voice. Hit Generate for specific emotional lines, such as when our healer spoke in French and when the spirit said, "Carlos, you are mine. I chose you. I own you." Try different voices to find the perfect fit. Generate them accordingly. Once that's done, we move on to the final step, editing everything together on CapCut. I'll open CapCut, create a new project, and import all our clips, including the voiceover. Drag the voiceover into the timeline and position everything properly. Then, I'll begin synchronizing the clips with the voiceover, placing them in their matching spots. Always check your script to identify where other voices speak and place them accordingly, along with the appropriate clip. For the part where the spirit says, "You can't banish me. I will never leave. He belongs to me," I will be adding the voiceover and the corresponding visual. To do this, I will split the main voiceover at the appropriate place, deselect the magnet tool, select all the clips on the left side to create space for the voiceover, place it there, and then add the corresponding visual. Next, we'll add sound effects by searching CapCut's sound library or freesound.org. For sounds like crows cawing, wolves howling, and other eerie or horror effects, import these sounds and use them where they best enhance the story. For example, add evil laughter when the spirit speaks. Continue adding all the necessary sound effects where needed. Don't forget to include a general horror background music track and reduce the volume to -11 decibels. Next, we'll add transitions by clicking on the transition option and selecting from CapCut's available styles. Apply them sequentially to enhance the video flow. Finally, we'll tie everything together with a filter. Browse through the options and apply your chosen filter throughout the video. For captions, use the auto caption feature. Generate captions, then select a template that complements your video style. Finally, export the video by clicking Export. Choose 1080p resolution, rename the file, select a location, and complete the export. This is how you can create a short film with AI in just minutes. Before playing the final result, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
My name is Carlos. No. Wait, that's not right. I'm not me anymore. I don't even know who I am. It's inside me. I should have listened. They warned me about that place. The forest. They called it cursed. A place where things live. Things that shouldn't exist. But I didn't care. I just wanted to prove myself. To show I wasn't afraid. So I went deep into the trees. The air felt thick. Like it was watching me. Every step, colder, darker, heavier. And then, I found it. A clearing. There was something there. A stone altar. Covered in strange marks glowing faintly. I thought it was ancient, forgotten. But when I touched it, I woke it up. It chose me. I tried to run, but I couldn't move. It whispered into my ears, into my mind.
Carlos, you are mine. I chose you. I own you. You will never escape me.